YouTube and all my babies, it's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And y'all, in today's video, it's just a few things, like a few trinkets that I've purchased from Aliexpress, Ulta, Dollar Tree, beauty supply store. So everything is kind of like in this bag and like all over my nail table. So we're just going to take everything out of here. Y'all, I'm always buying stuff. Just why? But I definitely purchased the Alpha Arbutin 2% with HA from The Ordinary. And if those of you who use The Ordinary, if you probably already know, but they did increase their products by like a few bucks, I guess. So I've heard, allegedly. And their stuff is good, y'all. Like me, I'm acne prone and I've dealt with acne all my life. Like literally, when I was like middle school, high school, my problem area was my forehead, and I actually cleared that up using like a combination of different products. Like I started off with, I want to say Proactive. I tried Noxzema. I tried Neutrogena. I tried a few things. They just didn't work out for me. Well, Proactive did, but it was just like once I stopped using it, to me, in my opinion, my acne came back. So after that, I started using it's the stuff I buy from Whole Foods, and you've probably seen it before in one of my prior videos, but y'all, it works, and it has what is it, tea tree oil in it and stuff like that. It's amazing. And you know, I still got marks and stuff, you know, my chin and stuff, but that's natural because I've picked my acne like as a teen, so that scars your face. Having acne and picking it is like having chicken pox and scratching it. It leaves a mark. Whatever. So from Ulta, I also purchased this Real Techniques custom complexion for foundation and concealer brush, and it actually clicks up into medium, mid, or max. You see right here, you can like click it up and click it down, and it can give you natural to full coverage to sheer finish. So it's a sheer finish, flawless skin, or full coverage, and you can, you know, carry this with you on the go. Lately I haven't been wearing makeup because I'm trying to let my face breathe. Like I can tell when my face is going through its phase because it'll just break out anywhere. Like I got a few bumps right there, so it just does this thing. So I just been like, go ahead, do your thing, big dog. Go ahead, do your thing. Another thing I purchased is the NYX Thicket Stick It, and I purchased the espresso in the black color because I want to see how it looks. So I think black is probably going to look good on me. As y'all can see, like got a little shump up there, little eyebrows, and you know, I cut my own eyebrows. You're probably like, why don't you get them professionally done? Y'all, in certain aspects of the things that I binge on, I'm cheap. Now my hair, I've been trying to like grow my hair because I'm like, I don't know if I want to get braids, which I probably will because it's about to be summertime. So right now I just been rocking my, you know, my wrap. And if y'all can see, you know, when I first started, it was kind of like this. And then I had cut it like into a bob, and y'all, this thing just growing back. And my point of cutting it was because I had a lot of breakage, and y'all know what I used to do on videos. I had that piece sticking up, and you know, it's growing. So, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. I also purchased this NYX Superstars Slim Lip Pencil Vault, and it comes in the color nude pink, mauve, nude beige, nude truffle, and espresso. Basically lip liner, y'all. I've been trying to get into lip liner because usually my lips is big. I just put lip gloss, color lip gloss. I don't care, but I guess, you know, the proper way is to add a little lip liner and then apply it to accentuate the lips. Also got me some butter glosses in the color tiramisu and blackberry pie. You're probably wondering why I got this. It's for a future video. I have to be in character. Be in character. What else? I think that's all from Ulta. Then Dollar Tree, y'all, because I cut my own eyebrows. I use these, y'all. Things right here. Like, I just either use lotion or gel, put it over so I can know, you know, what's fine and what's just the peach fuzz. And I cut my own eyebrows. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing that, then I advise you not to do it. But y'all, me, I got shaky hands and stuff. I still do it. Even if I mess up, I say, hey, we just gonna go a little thinner, y'all grow back. I want to say I purchased, oh, and this is from Ulta. This is from Revolution or Makeup Revolution London. It's in the color TGIF, and it's just a lip pencil also. Then Dollar Tree, I got this Elf Shape and Stay brow pencil, and I want to say this is in the color clear. Yeah, in the color clear. Just something to help my brows stay in place, because sometimes they be moving. Like when I wake up in the morning, they be everywhere, and I be like, ooh, Another thing I have is a lip scrubber. This is an amazing thing to invest in, y'all. It's at Dollar Tree. Well, it's at a $1.25 tree. It's at a $1.25 tree. Like, y'all really needed that 25 cents. I'm not complaining because I'm still gonna shop there, but yeah, I purchased that. So it's like my lips peel a lot, especially in the wintertime, because that's when your skin is the most dry. Y'all, when I'm washing my face, I even put my washer on my lips and stuff, or, you know, I got my own routine with my lips. So I wash my face with my stuff, put it on my lips, soap it up, because you do get bacteria on your lips. And then, you know, I got piercings on my lips, so I like to thoroughly wash my piercings and stuff, because if not, you can get bacteria. Your body will start rejecting your piercings. Your piercings can fall out. Yeah. So yeah, I got that, and you just scrub your lips and it gets the dead skin off. And then, y'all, they also have this Maybelline lip color palette. I thought this was so cute. I was like, why not? Why not? And then from Ulta, y'all, I'm just mixing stuff up. I got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's the mini version, y'all. And that, I can't wait to use this, because I like that brush. It looks like it's going to, you know, touch a lot of spaces, because, you know, sometimes I wear lashes, sometimes I don't. I'm trying to grow my lashes out, y'all, because I had this bad habit where I would just temporarily put on lashes and snatch them boys off. And mind you, I'm not using like the regular lash glue. I'm using the glue that they use for quick weaves, the gray, that gray glue that smells like, ugh. That stuff smells like fish, but whatever. And then I also have this Maybelline Color Central Lipstick in Espresso. This was from the $1.25 tree. And then, oh, I also got two things from Amazon. Y'all, I got me some lash glue, because I'm going to start trying to wear my lashes, because my lashes have been growing back. And I figure if I use these, then I can wear them a longer time, and then the lashes will just fall off. I have Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive in black and clear. It's by I Envy, which is by Kiss. So I'm definitely going to use these, and I'll let you guys know how they are, because y'all, using that bonding glue that they use for quick weaves, no wonder why my lashes are hanging on by a thread. Now, my light always going off. It's a hater, for real. Then from Aliexpress, y'all, I really wasn't into the twill, what do they call these? Basically the handle covers. Y'all, I purchased some in pink, black, cheetah, a cream color white, and also another black. And this is basically to put on your handles. It's a handle protector. So whether if you got like a certain type of cloth handle, because I know with the Dior tote bags, that's a cloth bag. And me, y'all, I couldn't get no bag like that, because I'm always eating greasy food, barbecue, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, sriracha, yum sauce. Like, I'm always eating something, putting on Vaseline, putting on hand sanitizer. So it's just like, to avoid staining your bag, even if it's a leather bag, faux leather, whatever. You basically put these, you know, it looks decorative because they come in solid colors or printed, but you put them on the handle of your bag where you carry it all the time. And that's what absorbs the punches of basically all the stuff that you touch and stuff like that. Y'all, my light went off. I'm not gonna turn it back on. And then I got this headband from the beauty supply store. It's a dupe, I'm guessing. Y'all, I paid $6.99 for this. But I thought it was cute because purple is my favorite color. And then y'all, Dollar Tree had this. When I seen this, I said, I gotta have this because I gotta represent for my familia. My familia. And y'all my family too, but I'm talking about like the family that runs through my veins, the blood in my veins. Y'all, what y'all know about that still a nation? Hey, dab on it. Y'all, if you don't know, now you do. I am a diehard Steelers fan. Now, please don't follow me if you're not. But yes, I am a diehard Steelers fan, win or lose. I love the steel curtain. I was brought up like that, even though I live in Brownie Nation, you know, the Browns. You know, I was born here, raised there, so it's just like half and half, but you'll never catch me with anything brownie on. And I say it, I said what I said in my Nene Leaks voice. The door is closed to any brown type of, I don't wear no browns. Nope. And then y'all know, so those were AliExpress stuff. So y'all know when I order stuff from AliExpress, I have to buy a phone case. And y'all, I don't have the newest phone. And as you can see, you know, I make my videos from my phone. Ain't no shame in my game with my little, you know, ring lights and stuff. But, you know, I don't have the newest phone. I feel like if my phone's still working, you know, why not? Why not trick it out and stuff like that? So I actually purchased these two. This is kind of like a crocodile type thing, situation type. So cute. And then y'all, when I seen this, I said, oh, I had to get this. The Disney villains, Ursula, that's my girl. Then this was my girl next with the 101 Dalmatians. So let me see, let me see if I can remember. Little Mermaid, 101 Dalmatians, Snow White. I want to say they were both Snow White. Cinderella. And I don't remember who that is. I don't know who that woman is. And then beauty supply store, they always get you at the register. They had this cute little Hello Kitty type keychain. I thought it was so cute, so I purchased that. They also had these. So basically you can put this in there and have this as your phone wristlet for a phone accessory. Y'all, I'm always down for a good accessory. And then AliExpress also had this chunky chain that I can put on my purse. And I thought this was so cute. Let me see what else I got, y'all. And then Amazon, they had these little rings you can use to clip on your purse to hang things on. And then I purchased this from AliExpress, y'all, because I love me some sneakers and I love the color purple. Y'all, this was so cute. What you know about them Jordan high tops? So cute. I forgot what Jordan numbers these is, y'all. I ain't even about to sit up here and be like, those the Jordan number 11, 12s and 14, 22s. And I'm not about to sit up here and do that. I just know that they're Jordans. They're Nikes. Bada boom, bada bang. Last but not least, I have two more items. Yes, two more items, and they're jewelry. AliExpress stay duping some stuff. And if you don't know, I think AliExpress, because remember Amazon, you used to go buy dupes off of Amazon if you don't know, because Daisy Rose was the popping, most happening thing. They sell LV dupes. So Amazon cracked down, no more. I think AliExpress is cracking down too, y'all, because I had purchased like 2 purses. Y'all, I didn't even make it past customs. They returned it to sender, and I did some research of like the wordage they use, and basically it was like they do that with dupes because you're not supposed to get them, but it is what it is. But yeah, I think they're starting to crack down because it's starting to be harder and harder to find dupes, and I'm just like, You just gotta be tricky with your words. Just gotta be tricky with your words. So y'all, I purchased these LV dupe earrings. Let me see. Look at me, what am I trying to do? What are you doing, girl? LV dupes. Y'all, I thought these were so cute. And I actually purchased me a pair and my mom a pair. She like, I want a pair too. I'm like, okay, girl. And then this came in this little box. That's from Aliexpress. And y'all, they're basically dupes of Tiffany earrings. I was gonna say, I know they didn't just... Y'all, I looked on here, I was like, I know they did not just send me one single earring. But it's front and back. Yes, y'all, it's... I'm not gonna take them out because I know if I take them out, I'm gonna lose them. But yeah, it has writing and stuff. So cute. And I got them in gold and silver, and it says that it's stainless steel. Cause your girl has sensitive skin, sensitive ears. Like all my piercings, everything is titanium steel. I can't put that fake stuff up in my face because I will break out, especially with my ears and stuff. Oh, I don't play. So yeah, this is my little mini haul of trinkets and stuff and junk. And y'all know me, I'm always buying stuff, but I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.